In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a jig for doing crown molding. Let's check it out. I keep a lot of my jigs in this. If you don't know what a jig is, it's a tool that allows you to do the same thing over and over again with precision. And it helps you in certain situations to get the right amount of measurements and minimize your waste on material. This is my jig bag. These are the jigs I like to use.
Garbage. I prefer buy-eye jigs. Yeah, they're free. I do it nice because I do it twice.
This is the jig I'm going to use today for crown molding. You can see how long I've owned it for. They actually used to have a DVD video for it. Imagine that. Who said I'm getting old?
Okay, yeah, you got me there. It was me. But I still got more hair than you.
Well, this is the tool I'm going to use. The jig just folds up and folds out. You have to set it up real quick like this, and then you have some little filler pieces that go down in here. Take up the angle. Now it also has some other things in here which are very important. You have these triangles. I'm going to take these triangles off, and this is going to help us figure out how we're going to set up the jig. Go check it out. So the first thing I need to know is the angle that is behind the crown molding, how it rests on the ceiling and the wall. Now you can do this on the ceiling. I just set up a 2x4 on my workbench, and that way it doesn't move, and then I'm putting the crown molding on here the way it's going to go on the wall. This triangle here is what I'm looking for. I'm making sure that my edges are sitting flush the way they would if they were on the wall. And that's what I'm looking for right there. The same angle as the board. You can see that the gap is even, and that's going to be the angle I'm going to set my jig at. You can see it has a little number right there. That's what I'm going to set my jig at, 52 degrees. All I'm going to do is take this little flap right here with the teeth on it, and I'm going to put those two little red teeth in the 52-degree angle on there. See them in there? It's on 52 degrees, and then I'll lock it in place, and we'll be ready to go. Then once I do that, I set this on my saw with my jig facing that way, and then I lean my crown molding on it, and then I put my jig on my saw, and I hold it in place, and I go ahead and cut the angle that I want to cut. So there's my 45-degree angle on there, and the jig gives me the exact cut I need all the way down for it to line up with each other. So you'll notice when I put it on the miter saw that the back edge is against the fence this way, and the jig is holding it on the angle so that I have a 90-degree from here to here. And then when I make my cuts, this is the exact way that it's going on, and it'll work out perfectly. I hope that helps you when you're doing crown molding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You help me out. We're at 653, trying to get up over that 1,000 marker and keep right on going so I can bring you guys better and better and better videos.